Hello everyone, my name is Kartika Dewi and I will bring you the topic for today is cash flow and financial planning. With the module goal is student will understand the usage of financial ratio, making cash planning, process and time value of money in finance. If you ever heard that cash is a king, yes, cash is a king. Why? Because cash is like oil into your engine. Should be on the right amount, because if you have less oil in your engine, so the engine will not work. And if it's too much oil also in your engine, it's not good for your engine. So we can say that cash is a king and cash flow is a lifeblood of the company. We can use cash to run all activities such as paying our debt to creditor, paying dividend to shareholder, purchase all raw materials, paying all salaries and wages, receiving account receivable from customer. All are example cash outflow and inflow in the company. The report showing all cash inflow and outflow is called statement of cash flow. So statement of cash flow is how to get the money and how to use the money. Of course, you should use the money properly. In the statement of cash flow consists of three activities, which is operating activities, investment activities, and financing activities. Cash flow from operating activities is all cash inflow and outflow related to sales and production of the company product or services. Cash flow from investment activities is all cash inflow and outflow related to purchase and sales fixed asset, the equity investment in other companies. Cash flow from financing activities is all cash inflow and outflow related to debt and equity financing transaction. Now we are talking about the budget. We have to make budget first before we can use the money correctly. Before we analyze cash flow, we have to make budget. What is budget? Budget is a quantitative planning providing all company resources and give direction on how resource will be utilized. This is part of financial planning. One of the budget is cash budget. Cash budget or cash forecast is a statement of the company inflow and outflow of cash. Is used by the company to estimate its short-term cash requirement as well as surplus cash and shorted cash. The process of making cash budget are 1. Prepare. Number 2. Evaluate. Number 3. Use. This is I give you the example you can see from the slide. We have quarter cash budget which is on October, November and December. And now we're talking about the October 1st. For October, total cash received will be 210, less with the cash disbursement 213. So we have cash flow will be minus 3 because we have more disbursement or expense rather than the receipt. We add with beginning cash, we have 50 and ending cash is 47. Less the minimum cash balance $25. What is minimum cash balance? It's the minimum cash you should have in the company. And required total financing notes payable is 0. So we have excess cash balance that will be invested in marketable security for $22. And for November, we have total cash received 320 with the cash disbursement is 418. We have negative net cash flow 98. And we add the beginning cash taken from the previous month 47. So we have ending cash as a minus 51. With less minimum cash balance 25, we need to have the fund taking from notes payable 76. And for the month of December, we have total received 340 we have cash disbursement 305 and negative net cash flow again $35. We add with beginning cash from previous month, November is negative 51. So we have ending cash $16 negative. Less with the minimum cash balance 25. So we need more fund $41 on December. Now the question is why cash budget is very important. Because manager needs to know how much cash surplus and cash shortage for each month. This is summarizing financial activity from the quarter's cash budget we presented before. So in October, you need to invest $22 excess cash balance in the market security. November, liquidate 22 of marketable security and borrow 76 in notes payable. December, repay $35 of notes payable and leave 41 of outstanding required total financing. Evaluation of cash budget. We have to evaluate surplus and shortage in each month. To get sufficient cash each month, need a good working capital management. Working capital is current asset minus with current liabilities. For example, company needs to receive faster account receivable than account payable. So that means you have more cash each month rather than you have to pay to your supplier. Cash budget is the basic tool for forecasting the cash inflow and outflow through the company. Although it helps financial manager identify key items, unfortunately, it does not explain the cause of the problem. Instead, we can look at the driver of cash flow. This driver includes company 1. Credit policy, which is the term under which the company grant credit to its customer. For example, is 2/10 and /30. That means you give 2% discount if your customer pay less than 10 days. Otherwise, the maximal credit is 30 days. Payment policy, which is how quickly the company pay off the credit it received from other companies. Inventory policy, which is determining how much and of what type of inventory to have on hand. Financial planning. Financial planning is action doing forecast, cash inflow, cash outflow, planning capital expenditure, managing funding, managing systematic risk and unsystematic risk. All financial plannings based on assumption because it is difficult to predict future. The best planning should accompany with the best scenario to worst. An ongoing process, planning can be adjusted according to the situation. Company strategy is the first step in making good financial planning. Strategy is a direction company wants to go the long run. The goal of financial planning is making cash flow as accurate as possible. Finance manager uses budget and pro forma to estimate cash surplus and shortage. If surplus, then manager will invest in stock, bond, or money market. If shortage, then manager need to borrow fund. Now it's time for quiz. And the question will be, sometimes cash budget cannot explain the problem in cash flow because there are some drivers hinder something mentioned below, except A. Petty cash policy, B. Credit policy, C. Payment policy, D. Inventory policy. This is the end of this module. See you again. Thank you for watching and listening.